Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. If you are new here, welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. So in today's video, it's Halloween week. I don't do Halloween, I don't celebrate Halloween, but my boss here, aka my daughter, aka my manager, she has been like, she put me in this challenge. So the challenge for today is I'm gonna use both, one after the other, and just use, don't use any makeup brush or anything like that. Just use whatever is on this kit. Yeah, this is from Poundland. It only cost me £1, 75 cents dollars. Okay, now we're gonna start. For a reference, I'm just gonna go off camera, quickly cut these pictures, but I'm going with this. I don't want to do something easy, I want to do something hard, so I'm going with this guy. I think he look cute. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Okay, the white paint, the white makeup will be my base. Then I'll use a sponge. What sponge I'm gonna use now? Heck. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is Poundland product. If I have a breakout on my next video, guys, you know what cause it. Trying to keep up on my thingy routine. So wow. Although I apply a bit of primer on my face, you can apply anything on your face. Voila. Okay, now let's start the eye painting. What should I do first? Okay, I'll apply red, I'll apply black all over here, then red all over there.
Are you using that?
Yeah.
Or are you using the thingy?
I don't know.
The cream. Not cream, liquid.
I'll use this one. That one.
Mom, you can mix some of the red with the black, and then I'll make a burgundy.
Yeah, there is burgundy shade here.
Yeah, well that's purple.
Oh yeah. Okay, on this other eye, I will apply black. It's not moving. Come on, let me use
some eyelash glue or something to stick it down.
Here we go. So a bit of this.
Oh, it's blended.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so we need to blend it with a
need to apply red all over my forehead.
Where have you got it to?
To the red on my forehead. Yeah.
What you need to do is you need to show this up, yeah, and say that you're doing the whole of the circle.
Okay, doke. So this is what I'm doing now. This is where I am. What I have done so far. Now recreating this very hole here.
Black.
No. At the side here, I need more red.
Oh yeah.
It's not showing. Maybe we can. Oh yeah, this one is more like a.
Add a little bit of black and add the touch of white, just tiniest bit.
Black.
Yeah, so a little bit of black to that ring. Yeah, just in some places, and then after that add the tiniest bit of white. Don't make them so obvious.
Mm-hmm.
You can even use a finger to blend it out.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then inside, I'll apply more red around here.
Yeah, in the inside it's just red everywhere.
You are limited to what you can use, so it's not gonna come out like exact. You know, especially when it comes to the tools. Okay, next is
the blood.
I need to apply a bit of black here. Like, yeah, like a few dots. Fake blood. Ow. Now guess what?
Yeah, but Mom, it's all there.
Yeah, but it's hard to take from there. Okay, the blood.
Use this, take it, and apply it.
Right, I need to wipe this properly, thoroughly.
I'm gonna get you a makeup wipe.
Did I crack it, guys? I did. Ha! Check me out. Yeah. Ha! Yeah. This is now done now for one. I'm gonna go and wash my face off camera, and I will come back for the next look. I mean, this one.
The vampire.
Eh?
Say it's the vampire makeup.
Vampire makeup. Whose idea is this? Oh.
You wanna stop it now?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are back to part 2 of the Halloween challenge using Poundland kits. It costs £1. So the challenge is for me to use this little thingy here and this very one here to do the whole face. So the look I'm going for, either this one or this one, but I choose this one because I think this one is harder than this very one here. Right, so wish me luck. I'm still gonna prime my face anyway, because this product, I don't know, I'm gonna use this F primer. Hey, look at the bloody wig, it's lifting up. It's tired now. The wig want to go. Oh, fake blood. Fake tooth. Holy shit! How on this? Right, is
Mom, put it. Mom,
this is ugly.
Mom.
Yeah,
Actually, put it inside your teeth.
I will after.
You put these parts in onto your teeth.
Right, okay.
Tell them that you got that.
Right, I got this sets here, and I got fake blood, and I got this white paste, then I got this sponge, then I've got this one like very similar to the other one, and it looks like I'm gonna do some eyebrow because the girl I'm gonna follow, she got some eyebrow going on, so I'll use this very one here. So I'm not allowed to use my regular eyebrow pencil. Boo boo. See my natural eyebrows, how thick it is. I mean, I'm blessed man when it comes to my eyebrow. This wig is lifting up here. Stay down, you fool. Don't give it away. I know I'm wearing wig. Don't act like I haven't got my own hair. I do have my own hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this. Oh crap. Just gonna kind of tint my eyebrows. So I'll paint my all over my face. What? Hopefully, I don't like this sponge. Nat, I do not think that people who are doing this stuff then use this type of sponge. I'm sure they use something different.
No, they don't.
They don't.
They don't.
They don't. Why are you making me using it? This is torture.
No, they always use the stuff that come with it.
I doubt it. If you're a makeup artist, no, because you have your life all together. Well, your life.
Makeup artists don't do that stuff.
Oh well. Okay. I'll apply gray under my eyes. Gonna have to. Oh wow, this other side fell off. Oh here, gonna be black. Draw a line. Nah, it's broken. Can I use one of mine?
No.
How am I look, I can't draw.
Also, you can just stick it back in.
No, I tried to. Need to draw a line.
Your hair's got all the white in it.
It's alright, wash it. With this one for my lip. My job is done here. Now. Isn't it? Oh, now I can't speak because okay guys, I can't speak now. This is not the final look of my I Poundland monster vampire look. So this is the challenge. I have to use that down brush, and yeah, this is it now guys. I'm drooling and I can't speak anymore. So yeah, do you like it? Make sure you leave your comment below guys. Oh crap, I want to see. Okay, all right guys, so this is now, oh crap, shit, oh never mind. Okay guys, this is now the final vampire look I was gonna create. So inspired by this lady here, and yeah, I'm gonna just put it here, and I can't even put the dentures, the fake tooth because I can't speak and it's making my mouth dribbly, watery, whatever, so I couldn't speak. So yeah, this is now the final vampire inspired look. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If there is any other challenge you would like me to feature on this channel, just leave your comment below and I will see what I can do. So this is this makeup kit is from Poundland. You don't have to break bank to look like a vampire. So yeah, I didn't use any makeup brush or anything like that. Just use the brush because it's a challenge my daughter said I am going to do. Well, yeah, it's all done now, and woohoo! Okay guys, I will see you on my next video. I hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.